Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency with their savings? Think about that for a second. If your car breaks down tomorrow or you have an unexpected medical bill, would you be stressed out or would you be calm? Most people think saving money is a math problem, but in reality, it's a behavior problem. I used to be the person who waited for payday just to pay off the debt from the month before. But everything changed when I mastered a few simple rules. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your first $1,000, step by step, starting from zero. No complicated jargon, just a practical roadmap to financial peace. Rule number 1 is the foundation of everything. The 50-30-20 rule. A lot of people fail at saving because they don't have a system. They just spend and hope there's money left at the end of the month. Spoilers, there never is. The 50-30-20 rule changes that. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to your needs. This is your rent, groceries, utilities, and insurance. 30% goes to your wants. This is the fun stuff. Netflix, dining out with friends, or that new pair of sneakers. And the most important part? 20% goes straight to your savings and debt repayment. Now, let's look at a real-world example. If you're bringing home $3,000 a month, that means $600 should be going into your savings every single month. At that rate, you'll hit your $1,000 goal in less than 2 months. But I know what you're thinking. What if my rent is too high and I can't fit into 50%? If that's you, don't worry. We're going to talk about how to cut those hidden costs in the next step.
Rule number 2, kill the ghost expenses. We all have them. That $10 subscription for a gym you never visit, or that premium app you signed up for a free trial and forgot to cancel. Individually, they seem small, but together, they are budget killers. The first thing I want you to do today is open your bank app. Look at every single transaction from the last 30 days. If you find a subscription you haven't used in 2 weeks, cancel it immediately. That extra $50 or $100 you save here goes straight into your $1,000 goal. Amazon has made it too easy to spend money. One click and it's at your door. This is why you need rule number 3, the 48-hour rule. Next time you see something you want to buy online, a new gadget, clothes, or even a video game, put it in your cart but do not check out. Close the tab and wait for 48 hours. If after 2 days you still feel like it's a necessity, then consider it. Most of the time, that urge to spend disappears, and your $1,000 stays safe in your pocket.
A lot of people think saving $1,000 is impossible. And honestly, it kind of feels that way. But the moment you take that first step, everything changes. For some, even saving the first $100 seems impossible. Then it's $200, $500, and one day they hit $1,000. And the feeling inside them at that moment is priceless. Because when you cross that $1,000 mark, something shifts inside you. You realize, this wasn't as hard as I thought. I can do this. And that feeling, the power, confidence, and control, can't be measured by any number. This is the moment you truly feel proud of yourself. You understand how small, smart decisions can create real impact. And the best part? Now you're the driver of your financial journey. No pressure from apps, no stress from advice. And here's a little secret. What you just learned, killing ghost expenses, the 48-hour rule, mini hustles, is just the beginning. These tools are opening doors to confidence and freedom, not just money. And the most surprising thing? This $1,000 isn't just cash. It's a symbol of what you're capable of. Proof that small, consistent steps can lead to big results. So when you hit your first $1,000, not only will your bank account grow, your mindset will shift too. And you'll realize this is just the beginning. The possibilities ahead are endless. All it takes is one decision. Take action for your first $1,000 right now. And believe me, this feel-good moment is yours, and yours alone.
Let's be honest. Sometimes saving isn't enough. You need to earn more to speed things up. If you want to hit that $1,000 goal in weeks instead of months, you need a mini hustle. In the U.S., there are dozens of ways to make an extra $100 this weekend. Whether it's DoorDash, selling old electronics on Facebook Marketplace, or even dog walking through apps like Rover. Every extra dollar you earn from these side gigs should be invisible to you, meaning it goes directly into your savings, not your spending account.
Rule number 5. Don't just save money. Make your money work for you. Most traditional banks pay you 0.01% interest. That's basically nothing. Instead, look for a high-yield savings account, HYSA. Banks like SoFi, Marcus, or Ally often offer interest rates 10 to 20 times higher than big banks. It's free money just for letting your $1,000 sit there. It's the safest and easiest way to start your journey into investing. Hitting your first $1,000 is a milestone. It's the moment you stop living in fear and start living with a plan. I'm challenging you to start today. Comment "Challenge accepted" below and tell me which of these 5 rules you're implementing first. Don't forget to subscribe for more wealth-building tips. If you found this useful, or if helped you in any way, I'd appreciated you subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.
Let me tell you something that might surprise you.